This is Chuck. He is wearing his PPE. He is ready to get to work. The spot welding machine is compact, easy to use, and mounted on wheels. 2 copper electrodes operate like clamps. The parts are heated up, and they fuse together with no filler necessary. Nice. Once your parts have been cut and formed, you are ready to begin spot welding. Retrieve the spot welding machine and plug it into the wall. Clamp your part in. But not so fast. Looks like you are trying to weld galvanized material. The telltale flake pattern on the surface lets you know that this is not allowed, and is, in fact, dangerous. Open the clamp and insert your part. Ah yes, that's much better. The switch is located under the handle. Dwell time depends on the thickness of the material, but is generally around half a second. The switch can be pulled or pushed, it does not matter. Very, very nice. It's as though you've done this before. Make sure that your parts are clean and free from grease, this will make for stronger welds. Take care that the parts do not touch the electrodes along their length, only at the contact points. Parts to be welded should overlap at least 1/2 inch. Nice. Great job, Chuck.